everyone, my name is Coulter. I'm the artist who painted the Dare to Descent mural in downtown Raleigh. I'm coming to you today from my happy spot, from the trampoline, to talk about the defacing that happened. As many of you know, and as some of you do not, the mural was defaced yesterday. Everything came to a head. We ended up, actually going down to look at the piece and talking about it, and over the course of the day there were a couple stories written, and a lot of people have been reaching out. People are upset, people are sad, people are hurting. To all of you who feel those things, who are mad, let me first acknowledge your pain, and I'm sorry. I'm sorry to the people who had to read these things. I'm sorry to the people who are experiencing this. And I want to take this moment first to tell you all, everyone who's asked, I am okay. I am good. Captain Mom is okay too. I am good, and the reason why I'm okay is because we have a plan. The plan right now is to repaint. People said, oh, is it gonna stay how it is? Absolutely not. And the reason why is that this mural is ours. This mural belongs to us. This mural belongs to Raleigh. This mural belongs to the nation. This belongs to the people of the world, and we're not going to let hate win. We are gonna have this mural repaired. It'll come back. It'll be stronger than ever. And one of the second thing that I'm getting is a lot of people asking, how can I help? How can I support you? Let me tell you how. You can help me paint it. If you go to darecoulter.com/support, I'm going to have a space where you can put an email address or some sort of contact information, so that when we have updates on the timeline of this, and expect it to be particularly soon, I will start painting next week. And originally I wasn't going to end up repainting it myself, or originally I wasn't going to end up painting, originally the plan was not to have people help, but what I realized is that the most important thing that we can do is come together as a community and say that this is not us, this isn't who we are, and I think the best way to make that happen is to have you guys be a part of it. So go to darecoulter.com/support. There are a lot of people who have also been asking about donations, monetary donations or otherwise. The supplies for this should be covered, but I will say to anyone who wants to donate still, I have a mural project coming up, and I have a couple of other planned mural projects where I was going to have to be covering supplies myself. So if you want to donate to the cause, if you want to support my art and the messages that are in it, because what this says to me is that I'm saying the right things and they need to go further. So if you want to donate money-wise, everything is Coulter, paypal.me/darecoulter, Cash App is $darecoulter. And if you go to darecoulter.com/support, then those links are there as well. But also another way that you can help, if you have access to a wall, if you have access to a budget with that wall, because you need money to make these happen, or if you know someone who has a wall who is willing to be a part of spreading positive imagery, then please reach out to me. You can do that on darecoulter.com/support as well. Now I have one final message for you all, and outside of the fact that hate will not win here, and that we'll be back and we'll be better and we'll be stronger than ever, all of you who are hurting, let it go. Let it go, replace it with love, support people who are doing positive things. And I have a cheesy, it's very cheesy, I have a pun for you guys. So you have to remember that in life, you can always spring back from whatever. So live a life of love, be great, and understand that you will be okay, and we will be okay, and we're in this together, and we're coming back, and we're coming back stronger than ever. Thank you everyone so much. Bye.